morning, students of class 3. Today we will revise the question answer of chapter 2. So everyone get ready with the copy or the book. Let us start the revision. Name the types of software along with example. Software are of two types, two different types. Application software like Paint, Notepad, etc. System software like operating system. Define OS, that means define operating system. An operating system, also known as OS, is a system software which helps the computer hardware to work with other softwares. It works between us and the computer. It is the most important program that runs on a computer. What is booting? When we start a computer, the operating system gets loaded into the main memory from the hard disk. This is called booting. What is the use of the operating system? The OS manages the hardware attached to the computer like the keyboard, printer, hard disk, etc. It also makes the application software work. It keeps track of all the programs we are using. Name some operating system. DOS, disk operating system, Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10. Mac OS, that means Macintosh operating system, Unix and Linux. Name the most popular operating system. Microsoft Windows is one of the most popular operating system. What is the full form of GUI? Graphical User Interface. And what do you mean by graphical user interface? GUI means that we can use a mouse to give commands by clicking on pointers on the icons and the menu items. Who founded Microsoft Corporation and when? Microsoft Corporation is an American multinational technology company. I'm repeating it once again. Microsoft Corporation is an American multinational technology company founded by Bill Gates and Paul Allen on 4th April 1975. Okay. Now, next question. What is desktop? The main screen that appears after a computer start is called desktop. When the desktop appears, we can start working on our computer. The desktop is made up of three parts: taskbar, icons and desktop background. Now, next, define icons. The small labeled pictures on the desktop are called icons. The icons on the desktop represent a file, a program or a folder. What is the use of the computer icon? Double click on the computer icon to check the content of our computer. And what is the use of recycle bin? When we delete a file, it goes to the recycle bin. Name the three objects that the taskbar contains. The taskbar contains the start button, the clock and the show desktop button. Next. Name the different types of mouse pointer. Normal pointer, I-beam pointer, busy pointer and working in background pointer. Now here we finish all the question answers of chapter 2. I will request everyone to finish the learning part and write it at least at 2 or 3 times at home, so that you can understand what are the mistakes, what are the spelling mistakes actually you are making. So finish the learning part and make it writing in the copy for rectification of your work. So everyone, stay at home, stay healthy, stay happy, finish your work on time and bye-bye.